Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Deepika.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Madras Christian College admissions 2024 is now open. So you guys can go and apply to Madras Christian College now. So before applying to the college, this video is a must watch so that you guys don't make any mistake. So in this video, we will be covering how to apply to college, the application process, and as well as I will be sharing important dates and important information for students whose results are not published yet. So this video will be really helpful, so make sure that you watch this video before applying to the college. This video is specifically for UG programs. For PG programs, I'll be uploading separate video, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys have some doubts, then you can directly contact me on WhatsApp. The numbers are flashing down. And to get instant updates, to follow my Instagram channel, launchpad.career. Now let's dive into the video. So first we will cover some important dates. So the application started from 5th May 2024 and the application deadline for now is 31st May. So college always extends the admission dates if seats are available and to give extra time for students to apply. So don't worry, you have enough time in your hand to apply even if your results are not published yet. And they do extend the deadlines like past years. So don't worry, you will be having enough time to apply to college. So now let's see the important things you need to remember before applying to the college. So first is you can only apply with your 12th standard marks. You cannot apply with your 10th or 11th standard marks. So you need your 12th standard marks. And if your results haven't been published yet, then you can still apply to college now and you can update your results when they are published. So what you can do is you can apply while choosing awaiting results and then later on you can update your results. For this process, we will see in the later video like how to apply if your results are awaited. One more thing to keep in mind that college admission is only online based. You cannot go to college and apply there. So you have to apply only by online portal. Next is use your active email and phone number because college will contact you directly on your email or phone number if you are selected. So after the applications, they will be releasing a list of selected students. But before that, they email the students individually. So you will get email from college saying that you got accepted and then you have to do the further process. So these are some important things which you need to remember. Now let's see the eligibility. Eligibility criteria is really important before applying to a program. If your eligibility criteria doesn't meet with the program, then your application will be automatically rejected. So make sure that you check the eligibility criteria before applying to the program. The eligibility criteria is available on the website, so go through it and check your eligibility before applying. Now, the basic eligibility is you must have completed Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Examination or equivalent examination like CBSE or other boards. Other state board students can also apply, so everyone is eligible to apply to MCC. Next is there is an age limit of 21 years. So you need to be below 21 years as of July 2024. And this point is very important that, so if you have studied your 12th from Tamil Nadu State Board, CBSE, AISSE, ISE, if you have studied from these 4 boards, then you do not have to provide eligibility certificate. If you have studied from other boards like State Board, for example, Kerala State Board, then you need to provide eligibility certificate from University of Madras. As Madras Christian College is affiliated to University of Madras, you need to provide eligibility certificate. Don't worry, I'll be creating separate video for that and I'll upload that very soon. And in that video, I will be discussing about eligibility certificate, how to get eligibility certificate and the process in detail. So stay tuned for that. So one more important thing is that if you are applying for program which comes in government aided stream, then right now the applications are not open for government aided stream. The applications are only open for self-finance stream UG programs. I'm specifically talking about UG programs in this video. If you want to apply into PG program, then I'll be making a separate video for it. So please stay tuned for that. So these are the important things which you need to remember before applying to Madras Christian College. So now we will see how to fill the application form and we will see if your results are not published yet, then how to fill that. So this is the MCC website and if you scroll down, you can see admissions for 2024. You click on this apply now button. Then these are the UG admissions detail. So make sure that you read them very carefully before proceeding ahead. So these are the instructions for UG and they have even mentioned how to fill the forms and everything here. And here you can check your eligibility for UG aided stream. So this is what I was talking about, that make sure that you check your eligibility before applying for the program. And here's for the self-finance stream. So right now for aided stream and aided courses, the application is not open till now. I will update that when application is open for aided stream as well. For now, you can apply for self-finance stream. the list is here and the eligibility is here. To apply, you click on apply now button and you click here accept. You go for the new users. You click on either awaiting results or result published. So if your results are not published yet, then you click on awaiting results. And if your results are published for 12th, then you click on results published, and your process will be different from awaiting results. So choose this carefully. So if you are awaiting results, then click on OK and then choose undergrad. Then you choose your course. You can choose multiple courses by the checkbox. So click on the checkbox for the courses. For example, I'm choosing these 3 courses. You can check the end date here as well. And you can see these are self-finance stream courses only. So you click on apply. Then you can see your course selections. Then you have to provide your personal information. So first you have to do your personal information like first your name, your date of birth, your parents' detail and other things. Then you select these. Then you go for address for communication. So you have to provide your address and your permanent address. Then once you click confirm, you will be seeing the payment page. So once you click on pay online and you make the fee payment, then you will receive an email from college that you have applied successfully with your UIN, unique identification number. So once your results are published, then you go to admission portal, or go for apply now. Okay, then you click on accept. Then you enter your unique identification number here, your mobile number, and then you click on send OTP, and then you will be logged in, and then you have to put your 12th standard results. So this is the process for those who have not received their 12th standard results. So now we will see if you have your 12th standard results with you, then what you have to do is you have to go to sign up. Once you click on results published, and if you click OK, then you cannot change your details later on. So make sure that you don't make any mistake here, because later on you cannot change your details. You cannot edit your errors. So everything is same, your personal information, your address for communication, your permanent address, everything is same. Once you click on confirm, then you have to put your 12th standard marks. So this is the extra step, and then you have to do the same. You have to pay the application fee, and then you will be receiving the email from college. So that's it for results published. You cannot change your details later on. Only for results awaited, you can update your results. That's it. You cannot change any other detail there. So make sure that you do not make any mistake. So this is basically how you have to go for the admission process. And if you have doubt and if you need my guidance in your application process, then you can directly contact me on WhatsApp. And to get the updates like for government aided, then you follow me on Instagram to get instant update there. So once college releases government aided application forms, I'll be updating there only. Follow my Instagram launchpad.career. That's all guys. If you have doubt, then do comment down below or directly DM me on WhatsApp. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.